Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up contacts to Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to back up your contacts to a Google Drive can be essential for safeguarding your important contact information. It ensures that your contacts are securely stored in the cloud, protecting them from loss in case your device is lost, damaged, or reset. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, please open the settings menu and scroll down, then select the accounts and backup menu. Okay, here you can select backup data option in Google Drive section. And then turn it on by pressing this button. And then please scroll down and select Google account data. So here, please check the contact option and return to the previous page. After that, you can click Backup Now at the top and wait until the backup process is successful. Well, that's the tutorial on how to backup contacts to a Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.